Hello, guys. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending of where you are watching from. Hello, guys. Wanna help me to share this video to all your contact, all your Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, any social media concern. Wanna share this video. Today, I will be showing you how I face a challenge to Nigeria government Buhari Muhammadu. Guys, now see wetin item wey I put for here, my sister, my brother. Buhari, I call you Buhari. Wetin we dey buy before, no be wetin we dey buy again. Egusi don turn to 1 kilo don turn to €25. Ogbolo don turn to €30. Crayfish don turn to €15 for 1 kilo. Buhari, you dey kill our people for Nigeria, you wan see kill us for hungry here? Everything wey dey here now na €74. When be say if I carry €50 go Nigeria, my sister go use am pack something come give me. 1 year, 6 months, things never finish. Buhari, I use €70 €70 something to buy something now. E go carry me reach 2 weeks. Wetin happen, Buhari? Buhari, this thing when you cause our Nigeria, now your children go suffer am o. Buhari, na mother born you o. Buhari, I'm a mother. You no want make my children go Nigeria? You want make my children grow? You come ask me, say the country where be say that they kill citizen, now I want go. Buhari, enough. EndSARS, you dey end citizen. Bad government, you dey end citizen. Citizen na be bad government. Citizen na be SARS. Buhari, paint of custard. Now tell they buy something for Nigeria, my sister will carry everything. One rubber. Everything when I buy for here, now I not reach 1 rubber. Buhari, they not say may you end food. They say may you end corruption. May you end SARS. May you end bad government. May you self-command. They not say may you end food. May you kill us. If you kill us, who you want come they take care of? Who you want call the government? Country where we dey now, they not end us. They protect us. Buhari, I use this media to call you. Buhari, I use this media to call you. They not say may you end food. They say may you end bad government, end SARS. Buhari, I praise you. If you see my write-up for here, I say, a moment to remember. Buhari, I will remember you in these very things when you do. Buhari, I will remember you. My children will ask. Your children will benefit this thing when you put your hand now. Buhari, now I pray for you. If I naked, I don't write that for you. If I naked, pray for you. Buhari, your children will suffer it. Unless a woman when born, you know they see menstruate. Unless woman when born, you know they see red blood. Buhari. Unless a woman when born, you know they drink water, you know they eat food. Buhari, end this corruption. Buhari, end this nonsense you are be doing in this country. I don't want to care the rest government when they order you. If you no good, how the rest want take good? If your head not the let person they pray put, how the rest want to listen to prayer? Buhari, take your time. Buhari, take your time. Please, I please you, I beg you in the name of God, end this corruption. Ogbolo no be ogbolo before. Egusi no be egusi before. Crayfish no be crayfish before. What did they happen now, Buhari? Stop now. Stop it. What did they worry? I know that. Stop this corruption, Buhari. This is very bad. I need a better country. I need a better country. When people say I will eat belle for, I will go my country. You want kill my papa, kill my mama. You want to kill we? We don't come up for house based on say the house not good. We need our daily bread. Buhari, save us. If you know so you know if you sit down for that seat, carry your property and go to your Kano place where they see carrot and goat. Nama. Mumu. Go sit down for that side and leave our state for us. I beg. They not say make you come, they lead us like cow. No be goat with goat they waka, no be mumu with mumu they waka. We not be cow, we not be goat, we not be animal. Go and be eating your carrot and onions. If you say you know if you bring onions and carrots, come give us. And one carry and go. Worry, I please you. In the name of God, save us. God bless you. Worry, I pray I see come pray for you. You see when we dey buy before no be it don't cost, it don't go high because nothing when they come Europe again, nothing when they come. Everything when fair day now they don't add money journal. I beg, worry, you know what me.
One day, I believe say my hustle must obey. I no go stress myself, go do. One day, believe say your hustle go must obey.
If you never know me before, come watch me, City Girl Fashion TV. Go and look for me and watch me and see how me take they start my life.
One day, I believe say my hustle must obey. I no go stress myself, go do. One day, believe say your hustle go must obey.
I wish you whether they go see a fire, see heaven. If I first you reach there, now me go carry you go a fire. I go beat you and you no go drink water, you no go eat food. Me self they eat for here now. All those momo go see when you eat for.
One day, I believe say my hustle must obey. I no go stress myself, go do. One day, believe say your hustle go must obey. One day, I believe say my hustle must obey. I no go stress myself, go do. One day, believe say your hustle go must obey.
Well, one on a be about your no view. Who they beat they know say me no cry.
One day, I believe say my hustle must obey. I no go stress myself, go do. One day, believe say your hustle go must obey. One day, I believe say my hustle must obey. I no go stress myself, go do. One day, believe say your hustle go must obey.
You say na dead be that. Na cause na no say na no go eat a goosey sleep, no wake up please. Stop.
One day, I believe say my hustle must obey. I no go stress myself, go do. One day, believe say your hustle go must obey.
May you hear word o. I dey holla you. Holla, Muhammad Buhari. Holla, Komana. Holla, Komana, zo. You be good. Come. You be good, Buhari. Komana, zo. Zo, holla, hear word. You don't hear word could hear you. The leader when they follow Buhari, wanna take on a time. Share this video.